What's up, guys? Today we're gonna pressure wash this stamped concrete patio here. Come back tomorrow and seal it. I think he said it was installed in 2013 and hasn't had it sealed since. It actually looks like it's in pretty good shape considering. So we got the stoop wraps around here. Get that, and here in this spot here we're just going to really worry about the surface. Or maybe I'll hit it on my way when I'm done. At the ledge here. Overall looks like it's in good shape. Let's see how well it all cleans up. See what we can do on this one. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this one's sealed up really good. He's got a good layer of protection here. It's got a beautiful sheen to it. Should look really good here. Let it set up overnight. It's about 6:30 now here at night. So I told him it'll be ready for foot traffic here in the morning. Went over this little ledge here sticking out a little bit for him here just so that it looked good. We typically don't do that just because you end up getting your sealer really dirty, but I didn't really have much left over on this one, so didn't really care. Anyways, you guys need any kind of stamped concrete sealing, tile and grout cleaning, pressure washing, carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, any of the services we offer, book us on our website at windycitysteam.com. Thanks for watching, guys.